This is inside view of Lincoln Park Zoo. You see the beautiful flamingo flower. Anthurium species, Anthurium, Andrianum, and so many different. Some foliage is also colorful. And this is giant alocasia, which belongs to Colocasia family, Kachalu family, but it is known as yellow stem giant taro. And you have different species of costus. For example, this is a red rose costus, and there are other flowers which are basically called as a red shrimp plant, Ruelia cartaceae. How beautiful this Acanthus member preserved here. Basically this is native to Colombia, Brazil, Ecuador and Peru. And here you have the cacao tree, which is having the fruits also. And this is Theobroma cacao, used for chocolate making. These fruits have seeds and they are powdered and made into chocolates, popularly named as chocolate tree, cacao tree. These are different bananas, ornamental flowering bananas. This is the way how plant conservatories are managed. Different plants, flowers are preserved and they are maintained. This is Justicia cornea, popularly named as Brazilian plume. Here is a Sri Lankan touch-me-not flower, impatiens. Impatiens repens, having golden yellow blossoms and very small kidney-shaped leaves. It is prostrate in habit. We have many impatiens species even in Kashmir landscape, Gulmarg, Sonamarg, everywhere we find impatiens. We have impatiens glandulifera, but not this one. This is unique from Sri Lanka. And this is a chocolate caricature plant with colorful foliage. Its beauty lies in foliage color, leaf color. And here you have the ginger with beehive like shape of the fruiting body. So it is known as beehive ginger, Gingiva spectabile. And this is the dragon's breath, Hemigraphis repanda. Upper side of the leaf is green, but below it is purplish red. So this beauty, two colors, this is having this small white flower from Adusa family plant, dragon's breath, Hemigraphis repanda. And this is almond flavoring, Aloysia brigata, attracts butterflies also, and its flowers have fragrance of almonds, almond flavoring bush. Aloysia triphylla is also seen in Kashmir, but this species is different. This is Aloysia virgata, highly fragrant flowering. Inflorescence, leaves opposite. This is another red tower ginger, spiral ginger, Costus borbatus, with this kind of torch like yellow flowering. And this is another Christmas sprite, Ruelia grecescens. And this is another Anthurium, but very tall, Anthurium tetragonum, as the stalks of the leaves are langled. And you have the Calathea flowers, which look like lily flowers, but they are not. Calathea lasneri, this is also unique. This is coral berry bush, Ardisia crinata. And this is Exora, also seen in India, Jammu especially. So you have many fascinating plants here. Pinstripe plant, Calathea ornata. Beauty lies in leaf veins. This is powder puff tree from India, Barringtonia racemosa, guava family tree. basically grows in India, Maldives, Mozambique. This is another Anthurium radicans. And here this fernery and cycad house is quite fascinating. So for nature conservation or educating masses regarding plant life, biodiversity, they have included each and every variety, species. Fishtail holly for Ceratomium, Heriotedium. Staghorn fern, silver staghorn, Platycerium. Beautiful. Green, lush green. How to maintain? So you need lot of expertise in maintaining such plants which grow in amphibious habitat. Moisture is to be maintained, then temperature regime is to be maintained. These are tree ferns, very tall. They are also preserved, although this belongs to Australia and this belongs to Florida also. One smaller one, Florida lace fern. There is Australian tree fern, Scythia cooperi, but stands preserved and maintained inside the cycad house in Lincoln Park Plant Conservatory. Sacred Ear cycad, Dione Meiji, and here is a crocodile fern. So beautiful. This stands maintained here. Microsorum, Muscifolium. Muce is for banana. So long leaves, banana-like leaves. So it has got a species, Muscifolium. And you have hairy snake fern also. So many ferns are also named after animals, after snake, crocodile, or bird. For example, this is a fringed bird's nest fern. So this is the way of importing the education. Cardboard palm, basically cycad, Jamia furpresi. Everything is meticulously labeled. So any casual onlooker can also read the names and educate himself, herself regarding the biodiversity. So this is one unique thing which is lacking in Kashmir. Mughal gardens also need to have this kind of labeling of all the plants and flowers. So this is the beauty of fir house. And now I will show you the cycad house. See the beauty of cycads, bromeliads. This is midnight nebularium. And here I will show you slipper orchids, tropical reedy slipper orchids, flowers. And this is encyclia orchid, Encyclia radiata. And this is Phalaenopsis, moth orchid. And this is beautiful orchid. How beautiful this orchid is. What a beauty. And how it has been preserved in the orchid house. So this is really serving the purpose of nature education. Here is another hybrid, Bellara orchid hybrid. Basically it has 4 different orchid genera as parents: Brassia, Cochleoda, Miltonia, Odontoglossum, multi-generic hybrid. What a color, this orchid. Anthuriums, water beauty. This is Catalia, beauty of Catalia orchid flower. And this one is another orchid. Beautiful dendrobiums. Another orchid. This is New Regalia. Another beautiful orchid here. leopard orchid, named after leopard, and Celia africana. Ear plant, Lindsay funkiana. This is another orchid. This is another, perhaps it is epidendrum. This is another orchid, Banda orchid flower. What a beauty. This is lily pond, different kinds of hydrophytes, even palm posh, lotus, nymphaeidis, fringed water lily, and this is anthuriums, wild onion, and even the plants from different locations. This is Mandevilla, white one, this is red one, and this particular plant has come from tropical belt. This is Erythrina Christogalli, also cultivated in India. Cockspur coral tree. This is red hot catstail, a red catkins, Aclefa, Hispera. What a beauty! How they have preserved, arranged, maintained. This is jasmine, fragrant flower. Madagascar jasmine, Stephanotis floribunda. This is Leah, and this is magnolia, which you will find even in Kashmir. No flowers now, Magnolia grandiflora. This is variegated lily turf, Liriope muscari. Caladium foliage, how beautiful caladium foliage. And we find many palms here, stands preserved in small area but rich diversity of the plants, rich repository of germplasm, Syngonium podophyllum. This is a roid basically, and this particular fruiting bush is unique. I'm forgetting its name, but this is wonderful, colorful, decorative. This is variegated mirror plant, Caprosma, repens from coffee family. This is Turnera almifolia, yellow flower. Here also you see bumblebee. Ornamental bush, also planted, cultivated in India. This is another magenta colored flowering bush. This is bushman's poison, Echocanthera oppositifolia. Even papita, Carica papaya. And this beautiful bush is Pseudoranthemum laxiflorum, magenta colored. Pseudoranthemum laxiflorum, amethyst star, popular name. This is Crossandra infundibulifolius. This is Convergia. And this unique tropical pokeberry. This is a relative of Hapatmakei, Phytoleca acinosa. Sral that we see in Kashmir. But this is not Phytoleca, this is Trichostigma peruvianum. Phytolacacea, native to Ecuador, Colombia and Peru. How beautiful this bush is. Even they have citrus fruits preserved, maintained inside the Lincoln Park Conservatory, plant conservatory, variegated ginger. So small space but many different species. And this is unique flower from gingiveraceae. I think this should be Costus or its name I will see. Very unique. This is yellow spiral ginger, not Costus but Dimerocostus is its genus. Dimerococtus strobylicious, yellow flower, beautiful, different foliage. And these are heliconias, Heliconia rostrata, hanging lobster tree, but beauty, parrot beak like flowers, Heliconia. These are cultivated even in Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, even in Jammu. And here is a very unique amla foliage flower. This is not amla but same genus, Phyllanthus angustifolius, Grevillea like leaves. These are Maranthas, yellow Ephelindra, this broad leaf, rose grape, Madinilla myriantha, beautiful. Jatropha integerrima, and all these are the anthuriums, pink colored anthuriums, maroon colored anthurium. This is basically a leaf, bract, not a flower. Flowers are only here, also called as tail flower. But this beauty lies in leaf, not in flower. This is a special leaf associated with flower, so it's called as a bract. So bract has the beauty, not the flowers. Some are red, and here you see a pond, and there are some hydrophytes. For example, this particular plant is cattail plant. We have many typhas, but this typha is typha minima, miniature, small typha. Species name is typha minima. Likewise, you have another plant there, but I am forgetting its name. This is also adapted to the aquatic, and it has these flowers, mauve flowers, light blue, beauty of heliconias. And this is Kygelia pinnata, also seen in Jammu, cucumber tree. And even this Kygelia africana is basically native to Africa. And that is white elephant palm, Carydox elegans, very large fan-shaped leaves. So this is the beauty of plant conservatory, and it has an objective to impart education to the masses, general masses, kids, school children. Each and everything stands labeled, so no need to worry or how to identify. Everything is identified, and this beauty fills heart with joy and happiness. Here you see the Titanorum amorphophallus titanum, which is largest kind of inflorescence, but now no flowers. This is a rattlesnake plant. Gopalti insignis, which has been named after rattlesnake, deadly poisonous snake. Upper surface is green and blotched, but under surface is maroon red. There is a parlor palm, also seen in Jammu, Delhi. Foliage is also beautiful. Foliage has its own beauty. Each and everything is meticulously preserved. This is watermelon vine. Basically, this is not watermelon, but fruit is very much like a watermelon. So this has popular name as watermelon, but this is prostrate in very unique plant. So you have utilized each and every space very meticulously for these flowers and these plants which have been sourced from all over the globe. So here you see the guava, very unique guava. This is yellow strawberry guava, Pseudium littorale. Whatever guava we see in India, that is different. So this guava is a strawberry size and reddish fruit which is edible. This is native to Brazil. Small leaves. Leaves are borne in opposite pairs, and fruits are red in color, and they are ripening now, almost ripened yellow strawberry guava. So Tree Talk is also trying its bit to talk about biodiversity and impart education to different interested people to remove the plant blindness or tree blindness, as the term stands coined by the scientists, where you look towards a tree and you are unable to tell the name. This flower behind is of Cananga odorata. These flowers are very fragrant. Cananga odorata is its name, belong to spine apple, this custard apple family, Annonaceae. But this is ylang tree, Cananga odorata, Annonaceae member. Highly fragrant flowers and very unique jamun. Name of Jammu is after jamun. And you see here you have a unique jamun-like fruits clinging to the tree trunks, which have the same color, dark purplish. These fruits are edible. They are from South America, popularly named as Jabuti Kaba. Plinia cauliflora is its present name, but earlier it was called a Mirceria cauliflora. Small leaves, but very fascinating, dark colored, jamun-like fruits.